Hi everyone, I am Cassandra, your 30-something, beauty-loving, normal gal, making videos for those of us over 30 here on YouTube, and today is FabFitFun Day! So excited. I love my FabFitFun, and if you haven't seen my other videos on this, I have a whole playlist. I'll put it in the description box below, oh, the dog is trying to get the tape, the packing tape off the box this came in. No, Teddy. Okay, so got him, I think, set. So this is a quarterly subscription. I believe it's $50 a month, and then you can also do select, which is what I do, where you pay for the whole year at once, and then you get to choose your items for each box. Like there's certain categories that only select members get to choose, and everyone else gets like one of these three things, but they don't get the choice of what they want. And then you can add on things as well. You get like first shipments, etc. It's just a really good deal. If you want to try FabFitFun, I have a code in my description box. It gets you, I think, $10 off and me $10 off. And I am fighting with them cutting down a tree. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, the tree cutting stopped for like a couple minutes, so we're gonna try again. So I know what's in here since I'm select, but I also chose a mystery item. So there's still some things I don't know. But I think what I was talking about is I do have a code in the box below. That only works for the quarterly. I suggest sign up for quarterly, get your like 10 bucks off, and then you can upgrade to select. Like they'll send you an email to upgrade to select and just pay the rest of the year. I believe that's how it works, I think. I hope so. Not sponsored by them at all. I am just a huge fan. And like, once you get a box, you'll get a code to share with friends too. And I got one fun add-on, so I'll show you that. Well, no, I got two add-ons. I'll show you those as well. They are proof of why I'm obsessed with FabFitFun. We'll get to that at the end. So, here is what it looks like inside. Also, this box, the outside, I'm obsessed. I love it. So it always comes with a magazine, and he's starting again. Okay, so it always comes with a magazine. It also comes with a coupon for HelloFresh. That happens a lot. So the magazine is actually kind of fun. Like, they do some good little articles in here, and then some deals you can get. And they also show how much everything costs. So I'm just trying to get to that page right now. They'll also show you in here how to like use the things that you just bought, which is nice. Oh, Teddy now wants this box and he's pulling on it. Let's start. This is one of the items I chose. This is an aromatherapy diffuser. Okay, an aromatherapy diffuser. I already have one. I love mine. I keep it in the bathroom, and so I'll keep this one in my bedroom. And it came with... We're just waiting. Okay, they seem to be in the midst of switching locations, so I'm trying to take this moment. So, the diffuser comes with, it's stuck in here, but it comes with orange essential oil. So that's a great way to get started. And flipping through the magazine, I saw they also gave recipes, you know, oil blend recipes to make other different like scent combos. So I will definitely explore that. Then I believe we all got this. Yes. It is the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Damage Eye Depuffing Gel. So, puffy under eye, sorry, I've got a dog trying to eat the box. Puffy under eye is not my main concern, but I really like Dr. Brandt products. I'm excited to try this. And if you watch what I've bought so far in my low buy, you know I just got like a bunch of eye cream. So this probably won't get used for a while, but it is definitely going to get put in the eye cream bag to be used at a later date and time. Is my mystery item. So this is the Trestique Matte Color and Shiny Balm Lip Crayon. It's dual-ended. Interesting. Okay, in Nantucket. So this is what it looks like. So this side is the balm. Ooh, it all came. It's really high. Okay, so the whole thing just completely fell off. So that's annoying. And you like can't make it go back in. Then the other side, the nude pencil, or like lip, so it's like a matte lip. And then I guess you're supposed to very, very gently put the balm over it and it'll stay. So it's a pretty look, but I'm gonna have to be extremely careful with that. Also, I don't know if that's quite my color. That might turn out too orangey on me, but we'll see. Okay, next up, I have watched other people talk about this. I'm not gonna lie, like I already watched other people's unboxings, the people who are the influencers that get the box early, and we all got this time. It's this Relax Champagne Charcoal Scrub, and everyone has opened this and raved about the scent, but no one will say what it smells like. So it's one of those things where like, well, we don't all love the same scent, so am I gonna love it too? I will say, love the container. It's sealed. Let's see if I can get, I have like no nails. Let's see if I can get this open. Oh, please don't at me for using my teeth. I know, bad. Ah, just dip my hand in it. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I don't like this scent at all. That's hilarious. People, multiple people have raved on that scent. It's so different. I love it. And like I said, to each their own. Like, I hate flower bomb, so, you know, we all have choices. It kind of smells like Sanrio. Okay, they stopped. Okay, this is gonna be very specific, but it smells like Sanrio Surprises gummy candies. Like there's a sweetness to it that... Editing this video is going to be a nightmare. I'm gonna talk while they have it a little. There's a sweetness to it that is just not my thing. Now, am I still gonna use it? Heck yes. But I'm not as enamored with the scent as enamored as everyone else is. Okay, next is the Way Hair Care Leave-In Conditioner. I am not normally a leave-in conditioner gal, but I am thinking of buying this shampoo that doesn't have a conditioner match. So this could be a good option with that. So I am excited for that. I mean, Way's a good brand. I like what they do. I also have the travel size of this. Okay, so the next set, I chose this, and y'all are gonna be like, but you have like 4 in this category already, and it's gonna take you, I mean, it's gonna take me the year to get through those 4. I had a no buy on this. However, the other 2 options in this category I didn't care about, and I'm always interested in trying a new one of these, so it is the Extraordinary Translucent Powder from Ciate. And yes, I have 3 or 4 other full-size powders I'm working through, but this, it says setting powder, but it is super fine. This actually, I will say though, that's a full, do you see how there's only half a thing? Wow, Ciate, could you spare it? Like, that's a full container? That's strange. But they say use this to bake and set, leave on 3 to 5 minutes, and sweep off excess for a crease-free soft focus finish. So I thought this might be nice to try under my eyes. I thought I'd give it a whirl. The other 2 products in this category were a really simple necklace that I didn't care about and a Sip by Swell bottle. And it's like, I'd rather just go to Target and pick the Swell bottle I want. So those just didn't interest me. So it was like, okay, well, at least you can try a different powder. I'm gonna end on the item I'm most excited about. So then the next one, this too was a category where I went, I don't really care about all 3. I will say, this is the first FabFitFun where I'm like, the highs were really, really high, and the lows are pretty darn low. Like, they're all love them or like meh products. So this was either a purifying face cleanser, which I already have 2 other full-size face cleansers, plus a bunch of samples I'm trying to work through. Venus 11 by Venus Williams jump rope. I live on the second floor of a building. They'd kill me. And I'm not like going to the park to jump rope. So I have always been curious about this. So even though I'm like, this is the thing I don't care about as much, the reason I also like FabFitFun is because sometimes you end up trying things that like you've kind of been interested in, but you probably haven't pulled the trigger on. Like I think a lot of people have wanted to get a diffuser and just hadn't pulled the trigger on doing it. And FabFitFun made it easy to go, okay, yeah, I'll finally get one of those. So for me, I got the Daily Detox Massaging Brush. So this is for dry brushing, which I've heard is super painful, but it's essentially like a way to exfoliate. You literally take this and just rub it all over your skin, and let's see, you can do it dry or wet. It's supposed to stimulate circulation and eliminate layers of dead skin. It's supposed to improve the overall appearance of skin. So like even on your like upper thighs and stuff, it's supposed to make everything look better. So I'm excited to start using that, though painful. And then lastly, well, kind of lastly, but I'll show you the add-ons. This was the best thing. One of the options this time was Quay sunglasses, a different pair of Quay sunglasses, or what was the third thing? Oh, a Show Me Your Moo Moo robe, which was really cute. I went for the glasses. I have a little dog here on my knee, just like, talk to me. It's not, he hates when I talk to the camera and not him. So I chose the sunglasses because I have been curious about Quay. I mean, you see these on Instagram all the time, and they're like $60. So this is one pair. They're not my normal style. They're definitely oversized, but the fact that they were part of my box, it's like, if I use them a lot or a little, who cares? Now, this is actually not the ones I would have put in here. Hold on. This is why I love FabFitFun, because if you look at the items and you're like, oh man, I want both in that category. Well, it's only $10 to add the second thing. So to get another pair of $60 sunglasses for $10, I was all for it. So the other pair that I'm opening now is the ones I really wanted. And then because it was only 10 bucks more, I selected these two. I will say they both come with sunglass cases that are pretty darn nice as well. So these are the ones I think I'll wear more. Yes. Yes. Even though I look like a fly. I don't care. Very excited for this. Also, these are what I call, well, both of them, giant black sunglasses, like that cover half your face. These are what I call hangover sunglasses. Like these are the sunglasses on the day after maybe we've gone a little hard or just not slept a lot. I don't drink enough to get a hangover, but just like, oh, I didn't sleep well, whatever, and you still need to run errands, you can put these on in a lipstick and you just look posh. So I love these types of glasses. Man, my ring light is big in those. Okay, the last thing I got, this was an add-on. Okay, so I was very good. The only add-on I got this month, because there's always an add-on sale where you can, at like deeply discounted prices, add things to your box. I just like this mug from Banjo. It just says, The Boss. I thought for my side hustle, this would just be a fun thing to have, so I decided to grab that. That was my one treat I got myself. I didn't let myself get anything else in that sale. So anyway, they're gonna start getting real loud with that tree again. So that is it for this video. Like I said, if you want FabFitFun, I have a link in my description box below. Would love for you to sign up. I get no payment off of that. I think I get like 10 bucks to spend on add-ons the next time they come around. That's it. And that just helps me have more things to show you in the next video. Teddy's trying to get the styrofoam, which I'm sure sounds great on camera. So that's it for this chaotic video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you know when new videos come out. Give this one a thumbs up if you like these FabFitFun unboxings, and I will see you next time. Bye!